Welcome back. It's time now for a look at some of the major stories from around the world.
Venezuelan opposition leader Maria Corina Machado has told reporters that she presented the medal for her Nobel Peace Prize to US President Donald Trump at a private White House meeting on Thursday, but did not say if he accepted it. She said it was a historic day for Venezuelans after meeting Trump. It's the first time the two have met in person. In the weeks after US forces seized Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro in Caracas, Trump has declined to endorse Machado, whose movement claimed victory in 2024's widely contested elections, as its new leader. He is instead dealing with the acting head of state there, Delcy Rodriguez, Maduro's former vice president. And a small French military contingent has arrived in Greenland's capital as several European states deploy small numbers in a so-called reconnaissance mission. The limited deployment, which also involves Germany, Sweden, Norway, Finland, the Netherlands and the United Kingdom, comes as US President Donald Trump continues to press his claim to the Arctic island, which is a semi-autonomous part of Denmark. French President Emmanuel Macron said the initial contingent would be reinforced soon with land, air and sea assets. A senior diplomat saw the mission as sending a strong political signal. Following the meeting, Danish Foreign Minister said while the talks were constructive, there remained a fundamental disagreement between the two sides and later criticized Trump's bid to buy Greenland. Hal Shane Burke, TVJ News.